Very good afternoon, dear students. We last class discussed about by using the simple interest formula how to calculate simple interest. Yesterday we are discussing 4 problems. Remaining problems we are discussing today. See the next question. Find the simple interest on principal amount is 1000 rupees. For duration time t is equal to 6 months. Rate of interest capital R is equal to 3.5% per annum. We need to calculate simple interest. Now we are going to solution. Given that principal amount given principal divided by capital P. What is the principal amount they given? 1000 rupees. Principal amount they given 1000 rupees. What is the time T they given? 6 months. But you are calculating the interest is per year. That's why 6 months to convert the year means 6 divided by total per 1 year. There are totally 12 months there. 6 1 6 2. The time T is equal to 1 by 2. What is the given rate of interest is 3.5% per annum. We need to calculate simple interest. We need to calculate simple interest. What they are asking, we need to calculate simple interest. What is the simple interest formula? PTR by 100. Simple interest short name is S dot I is equal to formula is PTR by 100. So substitute the values. So what is the P value? 1000 rupees. T value is 1 by 2. R is 3.5 divided by 100. Now this 2 get cancelled. Remaining value is 10 into 1 by 2 into 3.5. 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So 5 into 3.5. That value is 17.5 rupees per year. This is the required simple interest. Listen once again. They are asking we need to calculate simple interest. Principal amount they given 1000 rupees. Time they given 6 months. 6 months to convert the year means 6 by 12. 12 means per 1 year how many months? 12 months. That's why 6 months to convert the year means given months divided by total months is equal to 1 by 2. Rate of interest R is equal to 3.5%. We need to calculate simple interest formula is PTR by 100. Now we are substituting the values. 10 this 2 0 this 2 0 get cancelled. Remaining 10 into 1 by 2 into 3.5. 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. 5 into 3.5 value is 17.5 rupees per year. This is a simple interest. So the required solution is simple interest is equal to 17.5 rupees per year. This is a simple interest. So everyone understood how to find the simple interest? Only we are applying simple interest formula. Okay. Next we are going to next problem. We are going to next problem. Find the simple interest. Find the simple interest on 600 rupees on 600 rupees for 4 months. The rate of interest is 5% annum. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. So here also we need to calculate simple interest. So what is the principal amount they given? 600 rupees. What is the duration of time they given? 4 months. So 4 months to convert the year means given months divided by total months is 12 by 4 by 12. So 4 1 ja 4 3 ja. So capital T is equal to 1 by 2. What is the rate of interest they given? 5% per annum. We need to calculate simple interest. Simple interest formula is PTR by 100. Now we have substitute the values. P value is 600. T value is 1 by 3. R value is 5 divided by 100. So 100 1 ja 100 6 ja. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. Remaining value is 2 into 1 into 5. 2 into 1 into 5 value is 10 rupees per year. This is a simple interest required. Simple interest per year, how much value you are getting? 10 rupees per year. That is a simple interest value. We need to calculate simple interest. Principal amount is 600 rupees. Time T is equal to 4 months to convert the year is 4 by 12 value is 1 by 3. Rate of interest is 5%. We need to calculate simple interest formula is PTR by 100. Substitute the values. Finally we get the values. Required values simple interest is 10 rupees per the year. You don't understood? It is clear? Next we are going to third problem. Find the simple interest from 6,500 rupees. 6,500 rupees for for 14 weeks. For 14 weeks at 6% per annum. At 6% per annum. Sir, is that question? Is it wrong? We need to calculate simple interest. Principal amount here given 6,500 rupees. Time duration, how many weeks they are given? 14 weeks. 14 weeks to convert the year means per year, how many weeks is there? 52 weeks. Given weeks divided by 52 weeks. Rate of interest is 6% per annum. We need to calculate simple interest. Principal amount is 6,500 and the time t is equal to 14 weeks. 14 weeks is equal to given weeks divided by total weeks is 52 is equal to 2 7 to 26. 2 7 to 26. 7 by 26. What is the rate of interest they given? 6% per annum. We need to calculate simple interest. So what is the simple interest form is PTR by 100. Now we have substitute the values. What is the P value? 6,500 into T value is 7 by 26 into rate of interest R by 100. Now product with numerator value, product with 300. 6,500 into 7 into 6 divided by 100 into 26. 100 into 26 is equal to 6,500 into 7 into 6 values 27,300 divided by 26. 2,600. 6,500 into 7 into 6 values 27,300 divided by 100 into 26 is 2,600. So this value is 10.5 rupees. So simple interest is required value is 10.5 rupees per annum. This is the required solution. The given principal amount, the given time 40 weeks to convert the year is 14 by 52 weeks. Rate of interest they given 6%. We need to calculate simple interest form is PTR by 100. Now substitute the values. Finally, simple interest we got the values 10.5 rupees. So you understood? So next we are going to next problem. Last problem in this method. Fourth problem. Find the simple interest 6,400 rupees for 5 weeks at 9% per annum. At 9% per annum. So same method. So what is the principal amount here given? 6,400. 6,400. Time t they given 5 weeks. To convert the year means given weeks divided by total weeks is 52. What is the rate of interest they given? 9% per annum. We need to calculate simple interest. Simple interest form is PTR by 100. What is the P value here? 6,400 into T values 5 by 52 into R values 9 divided by 100. Yeah, this 2 0, this 2 0 cancel. 64 into 5 into 9 divided by 52. 64 into 5 into 9 divided by 52. This value is 2,880 divided by 300 value is 52. So 2,880 by 52 value is 55.38 rupees per year. Simple interest. What is the required value? Finally we got the values. Simple interest is equal to 55.38 rupees per annum. This is the required solution. So how to calculate simple interest? This is the process. So left of the question we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you all.